Hello children. Now I am telling you rules for reading and writing Roman numerals. Rule 1. Repetition of numeral means addition. If I am writing here I, I, that means here I have repeated I 3 times and I stands for 1 means we have to add 1 3 times. I stand for 1, again 1 plus 1 means 3. Now if I am writing here x, that means x stands for 10 plus 10 means 20. If numerals are repeating, we have to add them and get the answer. The Roman digits I, X, C and M can be repeated thrice at most. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Next rule, when Roman numerals are written in decreasing order, the values are added. If I am writing here L, I, L means 50, I stand for 1. Here we have decreasing order means we have to add both the numbers. L stand for 50, I for 1. That means 51. Now V, I. Again we can see V is greater than I because V stand for 5 plus I means 1 means 6. Next example X, I. X stand for 10, I 1 means 11. But when Roman numerals are written in increasing order, the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. If I am writing here I, V, I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. I is smaller than V means values are in increasing order means we have to subtract 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. Now I am writing IX. Again increasing order means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. Symbol I can be subtracted from symbol V and X only. Means if I am writing here I, V, that means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. I can subtract from V and X only. Symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. Let us see. If I am writing here X, L, that means 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. If I am writing here XC means C stand for 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. There is no zero in Roman system. Roman system does not use place value to write the numbers. Again I am repeating. Repetition of numeral means addition. I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. The Roman digit I, X and C and M can be repeated thrice at most. V, L, D cannot be repeated. When Roman numerals are written in decreasing order, the values are added. When Roman numerals are written in increasing order, values are subtracted. Symbol V, L and D are never subtracted. Symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. Symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. There is no zero in Roman system. Roman system does not use place value to write the numbers. Children, watch the video carefully and learn the rules.